So earlier this week, I made this post on my Telegram. See, guys, that is why I said you should join this place so that you will follow people that knows what they are doing. Follow who know road so that you will not be crying at the end of the day. So I made this post when I saw Bitcoin dumping. I made this post. I said BTC is dumping. Every altcoin is feeling that heat. This isn't just one isolated move. It's Bitcoin bleeding weakness across the entire crypto space. As BTC drops, money is flowing out of risk asset and the total market cap is feeling the pressure. Until Bitcoin stabilizes and shows strength again, any altcoin bounce is likely to remain weak and short-lived. Right now, this is a risk-off market driven by Bitcoin, not individual altcoin setup. Then I went further again. I said sometimes you learn, okay, that's not the post. Okay. That was when I was trying to let people know about learning. There's a post I'm actually looking for. Was it? Yeah, I made that post. Okay, yeah. Okay, so this is it right here. I said the market is going through a massive shakeout right now. Stay sharp during this sensitive time. Don't let your portfolio get wiped out simply due to lack of knowledge and discipline. Get the right education and blah blah blah. So I said that to people. Then, okay, I think that was there was a post I make. I think it was also in this thing in our VIP group. Let me check. I think there was another post I made in this VIP group. Let me see. Okay, yeah. I think this should be the place. I made the post. I'm just trying to let you guys know how the market is doing and what we do to stay out of anything that will hurt our account. Okay, so let me see that post. Let me just see the last one. I can't find all of them right now. Let me find. Okay, now see this post. I said, for now, I am only shorting the market until I see a clear sign of bullish trend. So all of these things, I did it in my Telegram community, and a lot of people who saw everything I did actually stayed away from the market. Most of them were just trading with minimal risk, minimal amount, so that in case they get profit, we get profit. That's why if you see here, we are still trading, but we are shorting the market, and you can see we are still making profit from it. We traded UB short, and we made money. We also traded a DCR. That one was a long. We got out of the market from it. You can see. Let me show you, guys, right there. You can see right there we made money from it. Resolve, we took it, it never hit our entry level, and we just closed that one, and all of that. Fight, and I said fight is bullish right there. It went up. This was on spot. So all of these things, I just dropped all of these things last week. This was the UB short trade we took that gave us profit. You can see all the trade we took last week, we hardly made any loss last week. That was because we stayed sharp in the market. Now, why am I making all of this and why am I telling all of this? Now, I see a lot of people getting excited. Let me go to my trading view right now. Let me just open trading view. I see a lot of people, why it's opening up? Let me just keep saying what I'm saying. I see a lot of people getting excited right now that the market is reversing. And let me go to BTC, USDT. Okay, so let me go to BTC USDT. I see a lot of people saying now the market has reversed and all of that. And that's why I'm making this post. And I want to also educate you out there. See, don't be excited to jump in because you want to catch the bottom. There is nothing like catching the bottom. You can never catch the bottom in the market. Just no understand that one. In this crypto space, you can never catch the highest, the peak, and you can never catch the bottom. Just know when the market is stable for you to make your trade and be safe. Now, that is why I said let me make this for you. You see, people are saying we have reversed. We have not reversed though. Just know that we have not reversed. When I did my first post, I said support level. You can see this place I put here, support level. I was looking at the market holding that support level for us to bounce back, and I said just that I have deleted everything. And then I posted there. If you check my last post I made, I posted, I said if Bitcoin crosses back to this upside, that is this place right here, and closes above it, then we can see that it has reclaimed the bullish trend. But if it doesn't, that means it is going down because we clearly broke that weekly bullish trend line. we broke it. You can see bullish trend broken, and we are going down. Then I posted here, I said this one is the major support we are looking. We broke that major support, but we have not closed above. That major support is around 73. Let me just carry this yellow one up again. That is where it is, around here. Yeah, so those places between 70 to 74, that is the major support. So if Bitcoin can close above it, now if this candle closes above it, there's another this thing again, another dicey situation there. Because if it closes above it, fine, we know that okay, we may see it is rejecting, the buyers are coming back in, and it has rejected that place, and we may see a recovery and going to the upside. But if it doesn't close above those two regions, 68,000 and between 74 and 70,000, sorry, between 74 and 70,000, if it doesn't close above those regions, then we are still going down, and we may come to this point right here. We may come to this point here, 50, between 50 52, we may come to that point. It's very, very possible for all of this to happen. So while you are excited in the market, saying no, the market is now green today, everything is green, please pay attention to the key levels, pay attention to the support, pay attention to the trend, everything, pay attention to other blocks, pay attention to a whole lot of things, so that you don't go trying to catch a falling knife, and at the end of the day it gets you it gets your hand cut off. You understand? You don't want to do that. So wait, guys, if you also check Ethereum right now, you'll see that Ethereum is also on a bearish side. So you have to wait, guys, just wait for the market to show a clear sign of reclaiming the upside. So this is what is happening in the market right now. Wait for it to have a clear sign of recovery. You can see all the levels I marked out for Ethereum. This is on weekly. So you can see that Ethereum is coming down. Although, looking at Ethereum right now, if I just bring this one right here, you can see that we still have the potential to come to 1,005, which 1,005, and let me see this level. Okay, 1,000, this just around 1,005. Okay, let me just draw this to this point. 1,005, 1,002. So can it come to 1,005? It's very, very possible. So 1,005 is a place that we can go to. 1,002 is not also far from it. 1,003 is not far from it, because right now you can see that it has clearly broken all the demand zones I set for it. So it is trading below the demand zone. So what we are seeing right now is just a pullback, a correction. You understand? It is not a change of the trend. It's not a reversal. What we are seeing right now is a pullback. So you need to understand when the market is giving you a pullback. Instead of chasing it to the upside, look for an entrance to the bottom side. Now, if you feel that, okay, what if I enters and it continues to go to the upside, then stay away from that market. It is better to stay away than to chase the market. If you come to Blockchain Plus community, there's a post I made today. Let me just open it for you so that you will see. So we do a whole lot here. I try my best to ensure that people get the right thing in this place. Let me just show you. Okay, this post I made it earlier today. I said trading is about understanding patience and timing. You understand? Last week I chose not to drop multiple trades because the market was too volatile. While many traders chased the market, accounts got wiped, positions were liquidated, and some even went bankrupt. But we stayed disciplined, we protected capital, and we are still in the game. I decided not to drop, and I told them earlier that I will be limiting my trades that I will be dropping. And I did not drop. I dropped, I think in our VIP group, I just dropped about four trades. And good thing, those 4 trades went well for us. Though we didn't get much profit, about 50 something, 70 something, 80 something, but it was still a win for us. You understand? So this is what you need. You don't need to rush. Stay away from the market so that you don't lose your money. It's better than entering the market and losing your money. So I've shown you guys what is happening in the market right now, how the market is behaving. This is for Ethereum. Let us also see for Solana, and then we'll see that of BNB right now to see the trend of both all of these coins, because these are the leading crypto in the market. You can see right here, this is Solana USDT. You can see Solana also broke the support level I was looking at, and it is trading below it. This is on weekly. So until it closes above these levels, that is the level right now, it is inside the zone. This is the zone right there. It's inside the zone. It's inside the zone right now. So until it closes above, then we are not yet bullish. We are still very bearish in this market, and anything can happen to Solana right now from where it is. Anything can happen to Solana right now from where it is. You can see this level I'm drawing. You can see anything can happen. It can even get to that $16 you're seeing right there. It can get to $16. So anything can happen. It can get to $16. It is not difficult. It happens in crypto. You get, so prepare your mind for the worst case scenario, except of course this level holds and it goes up. You understand? So let's also see that of BNB. So BNB and BNB USDT. So let's see what is happening to BNB USDT right now. Okay, so BNB USDT also broke our trend, weekly trend. That was our in fact, I drew this some days ago, and I said BNB has broken this. You can see everything I did here. All of these things, I've drawn these things since, and I kept them. So BNB has reclaimed some. You can see right here. You can see that it is trading above. You see above that support. It has not broken the support, that last support I drew there. So let's see what happens to BNB if that support is going to hold. And this is the zone. That is the zone. Let me just draw the zone right there. So let me draw the zone. So that is the zone between 6. This is 620 to 500. Yeah. So let me leave it at 500. So that is the zone. So we need BNB to stay above this zone before we know that it is going to reverse and then do better in the near future. So I've just used this to explain what is happening in the market to you right now, that the market is still very bearish until proven otherwise. You understand? So if anything happens again, I'm going to update you guys with the recent update about what is happening and what you need to be doing going forward. All right, guys, so that is it for me in this video. I believe you have subscribed and also turn on your bell notification icon for this channel. If you've done that, that's good. If you have not done that, please do that as soon as possible, so that whenever I drop this kind of videos, you'll get notified and you can be able to watch them. And also, if you have any question, you drop it in the comment section and I will attend to all of your questions for you. All right, guys, that is it for me in this video. Till I come your way again, remain blessed.